Toe struts, touching your right toe in any direction, followed by a heel drop. We're going to start with a forward toe strut. With your right foot, touch your right toe forward, and then drop your heel. Same with our left. Touch your left toe forward, drop your heel. The count for those, 1, 2, 1, 2. A toe strut can also be done to the side, 1, 2, and also to our left side, 1, 2. Toe struts can also be done in a cross formation. Starting with our right foot, we cross over for 1 and drop on 2. Now when you drop your heel, make sure you transfer that weight, toe, heel, onto that foot. All right. Forward toe struts with the right leading and 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go side. 1, 2, 1. Let's go across. 1, 2. Cross toe strut with your left foot. Cross strut. That is your toe strut. Toe, drop your heel.